Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So today the plant we have chosen for our propagation, that is the leaf propagation, is the Crassula Mesembryanthemum. It is also called as Crassula Mesembryanthemoid. Okay, so you can see that it is a hairy succulent which is having some bit rough texture on its leaves, and it is some bit like a pine tree. Okay, the big pine tree, so its shape is just like that. So now we will try to propagate it from the leaves, so we will pluck its leaves, okay, one by one. So you should have to start from below. Okay, now, and one more thing, that you should have to pluck it neatly in such a way that all the parts of the leaves are in contact with each other. Okay, yeah, if you will broke the end of the leaf which is connected with the stem, your leaf is not going to propagate at all. So you should have to take care about this. Okay, now we have taken 3 leaves. Now we will pluck the other one. Okay, now this is 4th one. Okay, now one by one we are just plucking all the leaves. And one more thing, that this succulent is not very common in Pakistan in the past, but now we can find these one in our local nurseries. Okay, now you can see that all the leaves are a bit fine and look. Okay, now this one is easily detached, and this one. Okay, now there are some succulents whose leaves can be easily detached, but this one is a little bit what's called as the problematic type. Okay, like we have to take care about. Okay, one more thing, temperature is 28 degrees Celsius, and as it is summer, so our temperature can plunge to like 35. Okay, after 3 days, as you must know that all the leaves we have plucked are actually wounded in such a way that because they are forcefully plucked from the main stem. So we have to leave them for about 2 days in order to dry, and then a small membrane will form which is called as callus. Now we will prepare our media, and media is like simple garden soil. Okay, nothing special. Okay, we will just put our leaves in such a way that the end part of the leaf that is with the stem is in contact with the media, and the rest of the leaf is above the media. Okay, we can put 3 to 4 leaves in one glass. Okay, okay, now we have put the 4 leaves, and okay, now this our the remaining stem. Now we can even cut it from the top, okay, if you want. Now we will wait for the results. After 2 months, now you can see that one of our leaf has gone, and 3 are having some plantlets. Okay, and this is the result of 2 months. Okay, yeah, this is the result, because leaf propagation is a very slow method as compared to stem propagation. Leaf propagation is super slow method, and you should have to take care a lot, because the plantlet is not is obviously dependent on the mother leaf as well. So we have to take care, because there isn't any sort of roots. Okay, now you can see that there is one small root, but it is not visible at all. Okay, maybe you can see it, but yeah, wait, let me. Okay, now you can see a very little root. Okay, single root. Okay, so thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.